Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about derivative by definition. Here is about the formula. So this is the formula of derivative by definition. So we put this one go in here. So you got about sine of delta s plus s minus sine s over delta s. So on numerator we have the formula sine minus sine. So you will got about you got about 2 cosine delta s plus s plus s over 2 multiplied with sine delta s plus s minus s over 2 divide to delta s so we simplify in here. S plus s is about 2s, s minus s, they will cancel, so we got about 2 cosine delta s over 2 plus 2s plus s is about 2s, 2s divided by 2, you got about s. This one you got about sine of delta s over 2 divide to delta s. Next, about number 2 in here, we divide both sides with number 2. We have this one in here. About lim when s go to number 0, sine of s over s equal to number 1. So about this one in here, that's similar for this one. So we got about limit when delta s approach to number 0, sine of delta s over 2 divide to delta s over 2 equals to number 1. So we just have this one left. If delta S approach to 0 in here, so delta S divide number 2 equal to number 0 in here. So the answer for the question you got about cosine S, and that is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.